Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power. Disconnect the battery and wait 5 minutes to clear stored voltage. Once the cluster is accessible, unclip the bezel and remove the instrument panel screws. You want direct access to the RPM gauge and its connector. Using a multimeter, verify the 12V feed and ground at the gauge harness so you know the circuit is live or dead. If power is present, you'll proceed to check signal and mechanical parts. If not, trace the fuse and wiring immediately. Once done confirming power, focus on the signal path. Probe the tachometer signal wire while cranking or running to see pulses. If pulses are weak or intermittent, inspect harness seams and connectors for corrosion. Clean with contact cleaner and gently bend pins for better contact. Next, remove the gauge face to access the stepper motor and PCB. Look for cracked solder joints or burn traces. If a stepper motor is sticky, clean lubricant off and replace the motor, or reflow the. After repair, reassemble the cluster carefully, reconnect the harness, then the battery. Make sure fuses are seated. You should calibrate the gauge if the manufacturer specifies a procedure. Often ignition on cycles or a short drive will let the gauge self-center. Road test to verify sweep and accuracy. If the needle still misbehaves, troubleshoot with a signal generator to isolate the tachometer from the engine and double-check ECU grounds and sensor wiring. A bad ground or intermittent ECU signal is a common hidden cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.